Okay, I'm going to show the shaft coupler here that's working on an SB series, turning the final control here. When I'm doing that, it's turning an aluminum shaft that's inside this tube, turning this variable capacitor. I've got all this off. This is the high voltage area. It's dangerous. I got the top off. This is all discharged. If I put this over here toward 80 meters, the cap is about completely closed. That's at 40 meters, about half. That's 20, 15, and 10. And again, there's the coupler. That's the phenolic coupler right there. You can see the two set screws. That's the top capacitor there in the high voltage section with the two output tubes, the 6146s. The control here on the bottom rotates the brass tube here. So I'll rotate this around, and you can see it rotates this pulley, which goes down to this other pulley, and it's turning right there. I'm just turning the the bottom. And that's on an SB 100. I think it's similar on the other SBs. But this is the shaft, this is the coupler that tends to get goofed up with time, breaking. So if you ever buy one of these at a swap meet or something, you may want to go ahead and undo these two, get the owner to undo these two screws. And you can peer through here usually without taking this off. You can turn this knob here and just see if it's actually turning this. Because if he wants to be a shyster or something, he can say it works, but then you can hear all this turning, but it can be this is broken. You want to see this completely turn around like that. Again, over here about 80 meters is where it's about fully closed, right here at the edge. And I think that's about where it goes. I'd have to look at the book, but on this particular one, this is 80 is here. And fully open is way down over here. This is the drive pre-selector. It's turning this variable cap, set ganged. Then there's a trimmer cap over here. It's down inside there. This is a fairly as-is unit I got. I'll be playing around with. There's a 100 kilocycle oscillator. There's the where's the adjustment on it? Cal Extal right there. And there's the cow.